Welcome to Carl's Comic Cards and Collectibles for a Throwback Thursday, part 2 of the Skybox 1993 Marvel Universe Series 4 edition. Just 36 packs in a box. I just didn't want to go through the whole box in one video because it just was, so many cards to go through. So I think I'm going to go a little bit quicker this time, but we got the cool insert drops that we got from last time. We got the Spider-Man 2099 out there and the Vulture 2099. Not sure why Deathstrike isn't a 2099. I thought they were 2099 inserts, but maybe he's just a little different. We got US Agent. We got Falcon. We got Wild Thing. Cersei. And we got Daredevil versus Typhoid Mary. We got Skrulls. Oh my goodness. We got Heart Attack. If we have a heart attack. Gambit. Claw. Night Stalkers. And back to US Agent. Alright. Let's keep it rolling here. So Throwback Thursday of 1990. 1993 Throwback. Silver Surfer versus Morgue. We got Rhino. We got Doc Samson. Mr. Fantastic. He's got his little vest on there. Oh, nice. Thanos. Awesome. Cool. Oh, we got War Machine. Famous battles. Well, who's he fighting? Huh. That might be another insert there. Scarlet Witch. And we got Spider-Man versus Kingpin. And Rage. And Venom. That's freaking awesome. Classic Venom. Silver Surfer, back to the Silver Surfer versus Morgue. I'm gonna go ahead and try this stack out here. Just hoping to get some of those holograms they were talking about, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna get so lucky here. Oh, we got Proctor, Scarecrow. And now we're upside down here. We got Dead Zone. Sleepwalker. That's pretty awesome. Starhawk. Oh, jeez. And we got Famous Battles. Executioner's Song. And we got Havoc. Namorita. Mr. Sinister. Oh, Spirits of Venom. That's pretty awesome, man. Ghost Rider, Spider-Man, some Venom action. Oh, man, that's pretty cool. All right, next pack. I'm going to come over here now. All right, we got the Ovoids. We got Storm, Siege, Blackheart, Quasar. Oh, geez. We got Ghost Rider versus Lilith. And we got Nightcrawler, Cardinal, Apocalypse, Thor versus Loki. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And we got Daredevil. Back to the Ovoids. All right, next pack here. Next pack here, we got Bloodseed. Black Knight. I wonder where his horse went. Now he's on some cool, like, hovercraft or something. Whoa, Dark Hawk and Evil Hawk. Man. Darkhawk ain't having that. We got Badoon. Death Watch. Rogue. Awesome. Doctor Doom. That is sweet. Darkhold Redeemers. And Spider-Man versus the Kingpin here. And Blood Axe. And Blood Seed. Okay, back to the Blood Seed. Let's go into the middle this time. See what we have here. We got another checklist. That's pretty awesome. Terror Inc. Death Metal. Hercules. Oh, geez. And we got Wolverine versus Omega Red. And we got the Regalians. Ghost Rider. Bishop. And the origin of Nightcrawler on the mysteries of the Marvel Universe. Motormouth. And the checklist. Yeah, I get to mark on all kinds of checklists. I love doing that. Let's see. I might need multiple checklists here. There's so many packs. A lot of doubles. Here we go. Nomad. Death's Head 2. Captain America. Punisher versus Ghost Rider. It's pretty awesome. And we got Kree. Basilisk. Wolverine. Awesome. Secrets of Spider-Man's Parents. And Techno Wizards. Hulk versus X Factor. Hey, we haven't seen that one in a while. And back to Nomad. X Factor. Let's see here. Let's keep it rolling here. We got Crystal. I knew it was Crystal. And then we got X-Force versus Brotherhood of Evil Mutants. And then we got Asgardians. That's pretty cool. We got Loki and Thor and Odin. And then we got Lilith. Ooh, Magneto. Awesome. Thing. Hey, he's wearing a helmet. I'll be down. I know he wearing a helmet. Okay, I'll remember that. Morbius. Maybe he forgot to shave that day. Let's see. Blood Axe versus Thor. And Red Skull. And Cage. All right. All right, we'll keep this rolling here. Keep this rolling. A lot of cards in these packs. I think there's like 10 cards per pack or something like that here. We got Cobweb. Silver Surfer. Cable versus Strife. And we got Phoenix. Firestar. Shatterstar. Hey, it's Wolverine versus Sabretooth. That's awesome. We got Shock. Oh, and we got Deathlock. Invisible Woman. Whoa. Okay. It's a new look. And we got a new look in the 90s. Back to Cobweb. Okay, we got 6, 9 packs left here. Oh boy. Okay, I'm gonna try to go a little bit quicker here. This is, yeah, that's 10 cards per pack. Oh, okay, we got something crazy here. Or maybe not. Or maybe we do. We got a red insert specialist. That's pretty awesome. We'll just put him right there. Specialist. He's a specialist. All right, and we got Shock. I thought that was Morbius for a second, but man, maybe she knows Morbius. We got Deathlock, Invisible Woman, Morgue, Spider-Man versus Venom. Man, I'm hoping to get that cool Spider-Man versus Venom special card in this box, but who knows? We got Spider-Man versus Spider-Woman, Thor versus Blood Axe, and Night Thrasher, and Demogoblin. Trying to go a little quick here. A little quick. Trying to go quicker here. We got U.S. Agent here on the back, and right now we got Moses Magnum, Human Torch, Drax. We got Punisher versus Thorn, Splice, Warlock versus Man-Beast. We got Darkhawk, Carnage, awesome. Spider-Man versus Juggernaut. That's pretty awesome. And back to U.S. Agent. I mean, wait, U.S. Agent was in the back. Okay, let's go back here in the middle here. Let's do that. Ooh, okay. Let's see. We got an Origin of Wolverine. Cool. Deadpool. That's awesome. How about that? Deadpool out there next to his counterpart. Deadpool. Man, all right. Okay. Elijah? Guardian, huh? Doctor Strange versus Dormammu. Came to bargain, Dormammu. Iron Man. Cable versus Deadpool. Awesome. And we got Doctor Strange. Hobgoblin. And Ghost Rider versus Blaze. And back to that Origins of Wolverine. Okay, here we got 6 packs left. We got Warlock versus Man-Beast, Proctor, Scarecrow. We got Dead Zone, Sleepwalker. I really like that artwork on Sleepwalker. And we got Starhawk, Executioner's Song on the famous battles. We got Havoc, Namorita. I haven't seen Namor. Mr. Sinister. And back to that Adam Warlock versus the Man-Beast. Namor is going to come out in the last pack. I can feel it. All right, we got Titans. Beast. Awesome. We got Silver Sable. Awesome. Hellstorm. Goddess. Oh, Infinity War. That's pretty sweet. Okay. Strong Guy. Turbo. Strife. Ghost Rider versus Blackout. And we got back to Titans. All right. We made it back to Titans. All right, we got 4 packs left. 4 packs left. We got Iron Fist. Awesome. Okay, we got Silver Sable. We got Hellstorm. Goddess. Infinity War. Famous battles. Awesome. Strong Guy. This might be a double pack. Turbo. Strife. Ghost Rider versus Blackout. And the face of Darkhawk. Sweet. All right. We got... Oh, we got Spirits of Venom. That's pretty awesome. We got Infinity War, famous battles. Oh, this might be just one of them landscape packs. Here we got Spider-Man Sinister 6. Oh, we got an Executioner's Song. Oh, what is this here? What is this? What is this? What is this? What is that? freaking awesome. That is the Spider-Man versus Venom hologram we were looking for. That is freaking sweet. Awesome. Okay, cool. We got it. We got the Spider-Man versus Venom hologram. That is so cool. Okay, sorry, Deadpool. We're going to use your stand, and we're just going to have to just put that up there. Holy smokes, that looks awesome. Okay, cool. Did I even go through the pack though? Oh yeah, I think we did. Let's see. We got Starhawk, Silver Sable, Wild Pack, Dead Zone. I don't think we did go through this. Cardinal and Spirits of Venom. Okay, yeah, this was the one. Okay, yeah. Wow, that's so cool. The Spider-Man versus Venom hologram. Wow. Okay, we got 2 packs left here. Sorry, man. I'm really hoping to get that one. And we did it. I'm not sure if they come in every box, but hey. Wild Pack. Thor. Ooh, Galactus. Sweet. Spider-Man versus Sinister Six. We got Psylocke. Speedball. Cable. Hulk versus Leader, and I believe that is Crystal back there. Origin of Cable, Cannonball, and the Wild Pack. Yeah, that was where we started. Okay, very awesome. Spider-Man versus Venom. All right, maybe we'll get another insert in this last pack, but who knows? We got Punisher versus Jigsaw here. Hey, there's Namor. I called it. He's going to come out at the last pack. She-Hulk. Bloodseed. Black Knight. Darkhawk versus Evil Hawk. And Badoon. Deathwatch. And Rogue. Ooh, and to close it out on a Doctor Doom. Man, what a Throwback Thursday Part 2 edition to close out that box of the Skybox 1993 Marvel Universe Series 4. We got 4 of the red insert 2099 cards. Not sure why these 2 aren't 2099s. But we also got this really cool Spider-Man versus Venom hologram card, which is totally awesome. So that was the hit right there. So if you like this kind of content, go ahead and don't forget to like and subscribe, and always keep collecting.